Okay, so now we're going to um, find our p-value using jamovi. All right. So what we're going to look for is a thing called model-based inference in the randomized module. All right, so let me scroll this up. We're going to go back to an analysis, forgive me. And so we're going to go to the randomized component, and we're looking for model-based inference. Sorry, folks, I'm coughing a bit and throat's dry. So we are going to use the standard normal distribution, and we are going to calculate the p-value. Now I'm going to do something here. I'm going to put this on left. We're going to want to go to both because it's a two-tailed test, but I just want to show you something. Our z-score is negative 2.959. Let me just scroll this down for a second here. This was our test statistic that we generated. So if I click left, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit return, notice my area, which is the p-value, is 0.002. Our test statistic is right about here on this density function. And so it's from this out into the tail. Now that's if it's a left-tailed test. It's a two-tailed test. So what actually ends up happening is we do both tails. So we're going to have a negative 0.2959, and we'll have a positive 2.959. And it's from the test statistic out into the tails. Test statistic out into the tails. And so this value here, this area here, was large enough to round up to 0.002. And then when we have this one added on, we're doubling it. And so we're really somewhere around 0.003. Regardless, this is very small. And our alpha that we're comparing this to is, we travel back into here, the alpha was 0.05. Well, 0.003 is smaller than 0.05, which is going to indicate that we are going to be rejecting the null hypothesis and operating as if the alternative hypothesis is the correct hypothesis. We don't ever really say true because there's type 1 and type 2 errors. We just say, okay, we're going to say that the data is supporting the alternative hypothesis. All right, so I'm going to scroll back down here. And we're going to see how to randomize next. All right, I'm going to stop here and take a moment and go get some water because I'm coughing again. All right, thank you, everybody.